Hey Ongagers! Welcome to another tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to set up an automated transactional welcome message. One of the first automations you might use in Ongage is the welcome message. When set up, this message, which can be either an email and/or SMS, will go out immediately to each new contact that signs up for the first time to your newsletter, web service, application, and so on and so forth, confirming their registration. Welcome messages help build rapport and encourage engagement with each new contact. So let's get started. To set it up, you click on the General tab under the List Settings submenu. The trigger for this transactional welcome message is when a new contact gets added to the list for the very first time. To activate it, you click on the Send a Transactional Welcome Email Message checkbox. Now, you should choose the SMTP connection to send this message. This is the email provider connection that you set up earlier to send the emails for you. Now, you select a welcome email message that you would have prepared ahead and stored in the email message library for the list. Now you just click on Save, and that's it. We are done. From that point on, each new contact that gets added to the list for the very first time will get the selected welcome email message. And remember, you can do the same thing for an SMS welcoming message as well. Well, I hope you enjoyed our tutorial today on Ongager, and for more questions, make sure to watch our other tutorials. See ya!